Hello, today we're going to change the navigation lights on a Nitro Z18. Got the LED single side navigation lights from TH Marine. So this is what they look like. Looks positive and negative wire. One single wire goes down. So does not come with screws, but you already have the screws that come from the factory. So, but it's exactly the same. Take off the top screw, loosen that up, and the top will come off, and then you'll take these two screws out. You have two screws on top. Take the two screws on top loose. And the light will come out. And then we gotta go underneath and get the wiring. But you'll reuse these two screws. To get to the wiring, we're gonna have to take out all these screws on this panel, and then we'll get underneath. Alright, we took out the panel screws, a couple more screws, and then we'll just lift this out. Now we can get underneath. Alright, so right here, there's the wire to the navigation lights. There's a little clip right here. Gotta go over the front right there. Go over the front and then put it down. There it is. Looks good. It's installed. The other side, it's just the same. So once you got it, same thing. One screw, two screws there. Here, the wires up back there. You can see it maybe. The wires up there. Have to reach, shoot down there. Have to reach for it. Hard to film, but it's right there in the compartment, and you can get to it. Alright, we got the positive and negative free right here. We go feed it back through. Here's the wire right here. Positive and negative. Same thing. Just feed the wires through. Just hook them back up. You'll be good to go. So there we got it on. You gotta love working in tight spaces. So you can just lay in the compartment and yell, fuss at it. So we got the positive, black wire negative, the black wire. It's a gray wire and a green wire to positive. So basically got to lay in the compartment to put this stuff back together. Easy connects, quick connects, but not easy to get to. So we just push the plastic down and they're sealed up and good to go. You just zip tie it up there. We're done. Oh, get out of the compartment. There it is, working. If this video helped you out, thanks for watching. Let's get back on the water.